Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm here doing another Orglamix subscription box unboxing for you. Everything in the box is vegan, cruelty-free, handmade. Orglamix does send these boxes my way, but it does not affect my opinion on the products inside. Still taped up. I have no clue what's inside. I don't know what the theme is or anything like that. I will have a link to where you can subscribe to this box down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I just put it there to make it easier for you in case you're interested in signing up. This is $29 a month. You get 4 to 6 full-size products. I love supporting smaller brands. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's just bust on in. When you have nails this sharp, who needs scissors? So this is January's box. I know it's a little late for January's box, but I just got it in the mail yesterday, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys as well. Their theme is Now in Zen. It's a long description. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but the very last part says, this month we introduce you to your favorite calming beauty products that can turn your hectic day around, so make sure you have a few stocked up at home for emergencies. That sounds pretty perfect because I've been having a really stressful month lately. And then I'm not going to read this because I don't like to peek, but it has all the information and prices of all the stuff that's inside in this card, but I don't want to spoil my surprise. So first I have this Maskimizer Mask Elixir. It preps, primes, and optimizes the skin for masks to follow. It improves spreadability and rinseability of masks while hydrating, soothing, and boosting skin's radiance immediately. Great for use with every type of mask except peel off. It softens skin and boosts hydration levels. This sounds really cool. I've never heard of anything like this, and I use masks many times a week, probably at least 4 or more masks a week, so I'm gonna try this out and see if it makes a difference. I will know if it makes a difference because, like I said, I use a lot of masks. This is so cool. So I have this essential oil blend and lava stone diffuser necklace. That is so cute. Without peeking at the other stuff, I'm just gonna read the info on the card. The essential oils are a custom blend of sweet orange, tangerine, grapefruit, and it creates a calming blend. So it's just gonna help soothe my mind and dispel negativity. That's really cool. That's exactly what I need in my life. I'm not really an essential oil person. It's not that I believe it or don't believe it, I just haven't gotten into it, so this will literally be my first time ever using essential oils, so I'll see how it works on me. And then the lava stone necklace is supposed to just be really good for calming emotions thanks to its grounding qualities. So I guess I'm just supposed to apply a drop or two of the oil to the lava beads and the scent will last throughout the day. I want to see what the necklace looks like. Oh cool, so it's like a choker and a necklace in one. I'll just attach it like here and it's like a choker and a necklace. That's really cool, and I like the way these look. They remind me of like little asteroids. I know that's not what they are, but that's what they look like. I think this is so cute. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that's really good. I love citrus smells. Oh my gosh. Somebody teach me how to essential oil because I don't know anything. I didn't even know Orglamix had essential oils. That's cool. Next, we have a loose pure mineral eyeshadow in the shade Ultraviolet. I've talked about their pure mineral eyeshadows before. They're just loose shadows. I really like them. I think the pigment is beautiful, and I think this color is going to be really cool. That's so pretty. I love how reflective their shadows are, and they're so soft. They just blend so pretty. You see how pretty that is? Next, we have this Inner Glow Natural All Over Glow. Is it a blush then? Or is it a highlighter? I'm gonna assume this is a blush because it's pink. That's actually really pretty. It has like a really tiny sparkle to it, just leaving that really pretty sheen. I mean, I guess it was supposed to be glowy and that's what it is. I really like the color. It's a very natural pink and I love blush. I'm really excited about that. Last but not least, there is this Revitalizing Powder Face Mask infused with antioxidant powerhouses to brighten, clarify, and soothe skin. It smells like literally nothing. Right now, it literally just feels like a really soft powder. Like it feels like flour. I'm gonna bake some cookies with this. Please don't do that. I mean, it's vegan. I'm sure you could eat it. It just says to blend 2 level teaspoons of powder with 2 teaspoons of warm water. Mix, get a good consistency, apply to the skin, leave on 10 minutes, use 2 times a week. I'm intrigued. I usually like to keep powder products like this or anything that I have to mix with water in my shower so that when I'm shaving my legs or something, I can just kind of guesstimate and do my little concoction in my hand until I get a good consistency and apply it to my face there. It's just easier for me to do that. I will try this both with and without this Mask Elixir thing. Well, that was everything. How many things did I even get? I guess 6 if you count the oils and the necklace as 2 separate things. The total for this month's box is $79.50. I think this is the highest priced box that I've gotten so far, and I'm honestly really excited about every single one of these. I think my favorite things that I got this time are the oils and necklace provided that they work, and I'm really excited about this blush. I think this is going to be so pretty on the face. So that was everything. I think this might be my favorite box so far. If you guys have this box too, or if you're interested, let me know. Let me know which products you thought were cool. They always have just very different products. It's not the same basic thing. They have like powder masks, mask elixirs, essential oils. It's just things you don't normally get in a beauty box, and I love it. It's so cool. Thank you so much, Orglamix, for sending this my way. As usual, if you like these unboxing videos of these subscription boxes, give me a thumbs up so I know to keep making more. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's ButeBean. I post every single day. We can chat about makeup. We can be friends. It'll be fun. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I post every 3 days. Let me know what videos you want to see. And I guess that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Cannot wait. And if this, can I speak? Nope, I can't, never can.